If your 200, 300, or 400 series Bell & Howell projector doesn't engage, or runs one in neutral, or runs in either forward or reverse, but not the other, you may need a new belt, or you may need to adjust the forward, neutral, reverse transmission clutch eccentric. Bell & Howell projectors use two small rubber drive wheels to go forward and reverse, one on the inside and one on the outside of the large metal shutter wheel. That is the wheel with the 3 shutter blade holes cut out. When the clutch, forward-reverse lever, is in neutral, neither rubber wheel should contact the large metal shutter wheel. But if you engage either forward or reverse using the transmission lever, the corresponding rubber wheel should contact the large metal shutter wheel, either on the inside of the shutter wheel or the outside of it, depending whether you are in forward, play, or reverse, rewind. In order to adjust the rubber wheels so that they contact the metal shutter wheel properly, you must adjust the spring-loaded eccentric that controls the position of those rubber wheels. On the back end of the transmission mechanism are a couple of flat-top set screws that secure the eccentric in place. They can be slightly loosened so that the eccentric can be moved to position the rubber wheels to properly contact the shutter wheel when they are supposed to. Make sure that both rubber wheels do not contact the shutter wheel at the same time. So when the inside rubber wheel contacts the shutter wheel, the outside rubber wheel spins freely. The same goes for when the outside rubber wheel contacts the shutter wheel, the inside rubber wheel should spin freely. The best place to start is by placing the clutch lever in the middle or neutral position. Position the eccentric so that neither drive wheel is in contact with the shutter wheel. Set the screws. Then check forward and reverse positions to see if the drive wheels contact the shutter wheel properly. This may take a while to get just right, but with patience and practice you will eventually have it adjusted correctly. Good luck and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care.